Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Shine Armor brand, their car interior nanotechnology cleaner with ultraviolet protection for vehicle detailing and restoration. It's all-purpose solvent and car dashboard cleaner for seats, upholstery, leather, plastic, and vinyl. Gets about 8,799 great customer ratings. So this is using the latest nanotechnology, and it is all-in-one cleaner and conditioner. What's nice about this is that it will clean as well as condition. A lot of times the other products you have to clean, vacuum, and then put the chemical on. This does it all in one. You can see it's kind of a milky looking color, and that is the way it works because of the nanoparticles and the polymers that are in there. Comes with a sprayer that we're going to test, and when you use it, it's very simple. You spray it on, and you have microfiber cloths, and you use one to initially wipe it, and then a second one to wipe it dry and polish it essentially. And that's basically it. So we're going to give this a try. So let's give it a try on this area right here on my Hyundai Kona. So I'll shake the bottle a little bit. So you can see that it produces a real fine mist. It smells really good too. Now we're going to take one of these microfiber cloths, just rub it in. In areas like this on your dashboard, they get a lot of sun. So this is great to protect these areas. Wow, big difference already. Now I'm going to take another microfiber cloth and just wipe it down, buff it. Very nice. It's got a really nice smooth finish, kind of like a semi-gloss, and I can see the difference between here and my other side. So I got a lot of work to do. I'm going to do the whole dash and the rest of this interior of the car, but I'm real impressed with the way it feels. You can just feel the quality of the lubricant that's on there. So after testing, what do you think about the Shine Armor brand car interior nanotechnology cleaner with their ultraviolet protection? Well, as I demonstrated, it's very easy to use. The sprayer worked great, and I love the scent of this. As I mentioned earlier when I was using it, it's got a really nice, almost like a lemon scent to it. So I'm impressed. This product works quite well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.